1, 2, 3. I'm gonna snap a couple.
We are in New York City. I'm so excited because today I'm getting the YoliGlo facial. I feel so lucky. The day has finally come that I meet Yoli, that I learn from the master of all TATCHA products. Today is the launch of their neck cream, so big deal. And I get to see Jennifer, one of my good friends from TATCHA. It's just gonna be a blast. I'm gonna take you guys along the way and we are just going to learn everything we can from Yoli. She's the glow queen.
When I do the facial, I just make sure that you look like a movie star when you're done. Yes. So that's like my main thing.
Okay. And Yoli, you don't like using any machines ever, right?
No.
You like keeping it natural.
So my whole approach about skincare is about nice hand, 100%.
Wow.
No machines. That's why TATCHA is so good, because I get to do like immediately. I can see results because their skincare is like what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
It's like the other half of me. Yeah. If I can say it like that. Like I'm really good in my facials, but I feel like what you do at
your
home.
partner.
Yeah, but it's like good skincare, good routine at home, and what I do for you is a combination. So in what you eat is very important.
To your skin?
Yeah. It's like the most important is what you do at your routine. Don't go to sleep with makeup on. And then when I give you a facial, it's like a different thing.
So excited.
I feel a little bit excited. I'm like, oh, I can't wait to give her.
So Yoli's so talented to the point where, like, I overheard you this morning. She's like, if I don't give facials and I'm on vacation, like by the second day, like my hands start hurting.
Yeah, my hands hurt.
Like, do you need a rest? She's like, no.
Is your hand hurting right now? I'm like, no, they don't hurt right now. They're gonna hurt if I don't work. It's the weirdest thing. Yeah. But
So
look at her
like
face. You're so pretty.
Right?
Yeah. Yes. Gorgeous.
That's so nice.
Gorgeous. The brows are like amazing.
Aren't they perfect?
Yeah.
I love her brows.
Jealous of those brows.
Are you getting this? Okay, now I'm gonna robe up and get ready to get the facial started. This is so cute. Should I put the robe on, the headband?
Yes.
Okay.
Robe and headband, and it's about.
I'm just getting ready. Gonna get the facial. I'm so excited. It's by far the most excited I've ever been for a facial, bar none.
Are you sure you're ready?
I'm sure.
Look, I'm gonna get you with some rice.
Oh, is that the indigo rice?
It's the gentle. I'm gonna get your skin going. Okay. So go ahead and lay down.
Okay.
So you know how the Camellia cleanser? You start with dry hands and dry face.
Yes.
Because you're a TATCHA girl, and TATCHA girl will know that. And I always take my time when I do this massage with the cleanser, because the more you massage the skin, the better it is to remove makeup. And always make sure the neck is also cleansed before you use your neck cream.
Or I always wonder, maybe I've misdiagnosed myself. Like, who knows? I always say combination because I don't know.
I think your top layers are dehydrated, but your bottom layers, your skin, are actually very healthy and they have good oils. Yeah.
Thanks.
Very nice.
I also told Jennifer I have very reactive skin. So sometimes that's great because like I'll see amazing results from products early on, but also I'm the type of person, if the wrong detergent is used, I get hives all over.
Why do you think I brought my own towels from home?
Yep.
This is my own towel. These are not hotel towels.
You travel with towels?
Yeah, because I don't trust the conditioner or whatever they use for cleaning the towels.
I love that you travel with your own towels.
You have to, because you know you're taking care of people's skin and you want to make sure they don't have a reaction. You never know who's allergic to it. So I just use very gentle detergent. And this is going to, you know, the polish, the more foamy you make it, the better it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Because
you don't want it grainy. You want it foamy.
Okay. Which of the polishes is this?
This is the gentle.
Okay.
And this is actually very nice. It feels like very soft.
I feel like a man getting shaved.
Oh, see?
What are the big skincare mistakes that you're seeing people make?
I think the biggest thing is washing your face too fast. So no matter how expensive your product is, if you're not taking advantage of your skincare, you end up literally using no time to clean your skin, and then you might using like a very nice moisturizer or cleanser. But if you do it like in 30 seconds and you don't take the time to like massage it into the skin, it's like I always tell people that doing your skin should be like a ritual. It shouldn't be like something that you have to do. And I think people do it like too tired. So my recommendation for people is have your skin clean before you have dinner. So if you're not going anywhere and you're home, clean your skin early enough so you really pay time.
This is the softest thing I've ever felt.
I call them angel kisses.
Oh my god, it literally feels like angel kisses.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this?
So when I was in Kyoto, I went to this little shop and I bought a few and I went home. And when I use it on me, I'm like, I have to get this. So I literally order like every day.
What is it doing?
It's just taking away any like extra cleanser or exfoliation.
How do you clean them?
You clean them and like you wash them as you were washing your towels, and they come out nice. Okay. Yeah, and remember to take care of that neck. Always take care of that neck. You have a very good neck.
Really? Oh, thank you.
Yes.
I don't know if I've ever like thought about her too much.
You should take care of your neck.
I do. I always say don't neglect the neck.
Yeah.
I take care of it. I moisturize her, but I don't know if I've ever thought of her as being good or bad. She's just like there holding up my face.
The neck and the hands are the most important thing after the face, because you want to make sure you match your hands with your face. You know, like some people, the face is all like nice,
she's so,
and then when you look at the hands,
young.
you're like, I know how old you are. I know how old you are.
I know.
That's what I always
That's
say.
a Hollywood trick, baby.
Let's see if she's crunchy.
Oh my god, that's not me. That's you.
No, that's you.
Wait.
Can
I hear it or no?
No, I can hear it. She can hear it. I don't actually hear it, but I feel it. I feel it when I'm touching you. Like I could really feel it, and I can see you grind your teeth too.
I do grind my teeth.
You're not puffy, but when you get after a bit long fly or you have wine or salty food, you will feel the puffiness.
I
you
put
have a little
salt
bit
on all my food, and I puff up really easily.
Everyone does.
So you just cracked my face.
Yeah.
My face has never been cracked before.
It got, not only got cracked, but you have so much. Like I could feel it, like you're gonna feel it here when I have oil on it, because right now it's too dry.
There's gonna be more face cracking later? Okay,
when I take off the mask. So I'm going to give you some gold, real gold in the lips. I'm gonna give you a she mask, and you're going to love, 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 love. And it's gonna feel a little cold, but the beauty is that this is gonna really refresh your skin. It's gonna make you feel really good. And then my trick to bring the mask even deeper, I take the TATCHA. This is so pretty. The TATCHA 24 karat golds, and then I massage it.
Those feel warm.
Yeah, these ones we have them. These are made for me with Vicky. I told Vicky I want something that can hold the heat or the cold, and she literally asked Vicky, and she will give you.
I can feel my face cracking.
So now we are going to use the neck cream. Take like this much, and you see like that much.
Wow, yeah.
And that's a generous amount, because I'm gonna work from like a little bit lower. So you always want to massage the neck up, and this should be like a ritual, you know, for yourself.
Morning or night?
I would do it both, but if you don't have time to do both, do night.
So you can tell I grind my teeth?
Immediately. Immediately.
When a client comes to you and they have a huge event coming up and they want to look their best, what tips do you give them?
Sleep well. Do your skin routine really well. And hire a professional, you know, like someone like me, and take care of their skin. Take care of their sleep, their diet. If you have a pimple, don't try and fix it in 24 hours because it's going to backfire on you.
So we just took
the mask off. And then now I'm going to finish massaging your skin.
Oh, my skin feels warm.
Oh, wait till you feel it too. It's going to feel really good.
Why is it that I get most of my congestion, like congested pores, right here around my cheeks?
Because that's where your oily T-zone is. You have oil.
What is on my face right now?
These are the Acaris.
Oh my god, it feels so good.
Yeah, these ones are amazing.
What are these things?
These are called acupressure massagers. And
that feels so good.
yeah, this is what the geishas do when they
God.
get home. They do stress, you know. This is all based on the geishas.
Because I'm sure you're applying the same amount of pressure, but it feels like more pressure on certain sides.
It does.
Yeah.
It depends how your tension is. Like, you carry a lot of tension in this side. Did you ever hurt your ankle or something?
Did I ever hurt my
Your
ankle because I
ankle,
hold
yeah.
a lot of tension here? Okay, can you just listen to something really quick?
Okay.
That's my right foot cracking.
Oh my god. Could I give you this back? Yeah, so I can feel how your body is, and you carry a lot of tension in this side. A lot.
That was insane!
Yeah.
Yeah, I have an
basically.
injured right foot.
I think everyone has beautiful skin, it's just sometimes it's underneath, you know? And I polish it out like a piece of silver. I bring it up. And then you put your cream here. Oh my god, your skin is heaven.
Really?
Yeah, it's beautiful. This is like almost not fair.
No, stop.
It's you. It's all you.
Wow, so you didn't use much of that cream.
I'm telling you, that cream is...
Like, you don't need a lot.
You don't need a lot. And then now, I'm gonna use the neck cream again. Neck cream is amazing. I'm obsessed.
Yeah.
Close your eyes for me.
You don't have to
And I
ask
always
me
do
to
some
smile.
for me. And for the camera. And it looks amazing. I mean, seriously,
Yeah.
this kind of wakes you up. Like if you in the middle of the day, you just need a little like shush, you put it on, and then whatever you have left, you put it in your arms, and you put it everywhere.
Wow.
Yes. And
How
that's
does
your
my
facial.
skin look?
Gorgeous.
I can't wait to see. Oh, thank you so much, Yoli.
I
This
really,
was such
really
a
wanted to
treat.
do your facial, so I ended up doing it.
Well, I really wanted it too.
Bye-bye.
You're the best.
Seriously.
Thank you. Oh my god.
I'm so happy.
Your hands are so soft. I shouldn't expect anything
You
less.
know what happened?
Why?
I went to do my license the other day, and they had to do my fingerprints like 7 times.
Because your
Because
fingers
I
are
keep doing
too soft?
this, and it wasn't working. I think I used too many creams.
You know what you should do?
What can I do?
Commit some crimes. I just can't believe that this is what my skin could look like after a facial. That was one of the most unique experiences I've ever had. Everyone told me that Yoli's hands were magic and healing, and I'm honestly speechless because she didn't use any abrasive products. She just sticks with TATCHA. There were no machines. I'm sorry, I'm glowing. Like, I look amazing right now. I feel so good, and she was just able to send so much and really adapt it for me, and she just had the kindest presence about her, and I've never had a facial experience like that in my life. I hope that you guys loved watching that facial as much as I loved getting it. For more videos like this, make sure that you're subscribed to Beauty IQ's YouTube channel. And if you miss us so much before the next video is uploaded next Wednesday, say hi on Instagram. Hi, cutie.
You're glowing.
I
wanted to see your skin. She's a beauty. She is beautiful. She has good skin.
Oh, thank you. It's all because of you.
Of course. And you.
I thought it would be fun.
Love her.